But this is not it. Like, I really do not like these cards. Why are all of them golden? Like, geez, they just takes away everything from like cards. Why can't you have like different rarities and things like that? And anyways, check this one out. Look at the artwork. It has ETH. It has Sir of the Ether. That's the name of the card. Wow, that is funny. And pretty cool. Let's go back and keep checking these things out here. So there is Legends Reborn. Let's check that out. Maybe some cool cards. And it is a big... Oh, okay. I was about to say it's a big letdown because I saw this. But then I saw these. Oh, wow. These actually look amazing. Overflowing excitement. Okay. So it seems like they don't actually have stats, but it's like, you know, they're pretty cool. But oh no, it's like they're selling concept art. Ew, I don't want concept art. But I mean, for the concept art itself, it's really good. I mean, look at this tavern. Wow. I wish it was like a 3D model so you could like flip it around and things like that. But this looks okay. I don't like the fact that there's dark blocks on this. I feel they could have done a better job, but I guess that's all part of the artist doing their thing. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and go back. So this is just gonna load up again. So yeah, this turtle looks very weird, and I'm guessing that's some kind of genie. And that's a treasure box, and that's a golem, and that's a unicorn, and that's a harpy, and that is a I forgot what they're called. They're called something. I don't know. This is called something. That's a harpy, and this is, well, you know what? It's in the Hearthstone lore as well as Elder Scrolls Online, so maybe you guys could help me out. That's a goblin, that's a skeleton, that's a treant, that's a phoenix, that's a spider lady. But it seems like these things are repeating themselves here, and it also seems like these things have been that's a cyclops that's been taken out of like World of Warcraft lore. But I mean, the art is definitely different, so they can't copyright. But it's pretty interesting. Nevertheless, let's go down to Beastly Ballers. Okay, so Beastly Ballers. Beastly Ballers are NFT trading cards, sport playing monsters, animals, and freaks. 75 items, 31 owners, 10 ETH, and a floor price of 0.02 ETH. Oh wow, that's very low. So these are just some of the cards. They don't look that appealing, in all honesty. It's okay. I'm guessing this is like something special as opposed to the other ones because it has that sort of green aura around it, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, like if we look at it closely, we can see this looks like something that was taken out of SpongeBob, honestly. But yeah, this is kind of interesting. I never thought someone would create something like this, but actually, let's take one of these cards. Actually, oh, they have, you can play it. Wow, you can play it. Do they all have different noises? Oh no, they don't. Okay, no, they don't have different noises, but I mean, it's okay. That is funny. Okay, so let's just go. Oh, this chibi fighters. Oh my god, this looks so cool. But it seems like they're broken up. Oh no, okay. Let's just get into this one by this person. So this person is like anonymous. Chibi Fighters 2.0 takes the beloved game to the next level. Your fighters are living cards that can be upgraded, and even equipped with powerful skills and gear. So your battles are bringing these fighters to life, and they hack and slash each other to bits. Okay, so that's kind of crazy. You have leather jacket, so there's cloth chest, leather jacket, and then there's more leather jackets, leather hands, okay, leather helmet, okay. Nubis, we have Shadow Fiend, scary stuff, Felix, Aegis, White Death, Assassin, Tribal Spear, Thunderstorm. I like how they just took a picture of this a thunderstorm. Wow, no one bothered to do art on that. Magic Stick,